Hello, my happy holistic homemakers. Hands up if you often prioritize taking care of others over yourself, whether it's your children, your partner, your friends, the neighbors, the pets. We tend to put our needs behind. We let our needs take the back seat over other people's needs. It's kind to take care of them, but we must think about our self-care. Self-care is a necessity for our overall well-being. I believe that in order to truly prioritize self-care, we must create room and space in our own homes for it. Setting up the areas to support us in caring for ourselves will make it so much more easy and will increase the chances that we will actually do it. That makes it kind of like easier for us to show up for ourselves. First of all, we need to understand what self-care is. Everyone can define it the way that they think it's right for them. To me, self-care is not just about like a spa day or indulging in your favorite treats. To me, it's to have a holistic approach to taking care of your physical, your emotional, and your mental health. It is also about paying close attention to my spiritual growth as well. It is recognizing my needs and taking steps to meet them. It is about treating myself with the same kindness that I choose to and respect that I choose to show others. That means just as I said, showing up for myself. Here are some important parts of self-care that I think we should consider and how we can make space for them in our homes. Let's start with health and wellness. We all know that regular self-care practices like eating and exercising, getting enough sleep, all that can improve our physical health and boost our immune system and make us less susceptible to illnesses. That is exactly why we should create spaces in our homes dedicated to physical activities that promote health and wellness, whether it's a yoga corner in a home, a little home space for a gym, or simply a dedicated area for stretching and exercising, and having a space that encourages us to actually do these physical movement can improve our energy levels. Having a space to exercise them makes it more likely that we will actually get up and do them. Your bedroom, you could create your bedroom in a way that is really like a relaxing place, that it helps you get the rest that you need and kind of like shut off all the stress and things that happen out there. Good health also means eating right. You can also make your kitchen your pharmacy, as well as your food be your medicine, by giving your foods that you choose to nourish your mind and your body and your soul with that respect, the respect that they deserve. You will increase the chance that you maintain the health for a very long time. Your kitchen should be full of fresh produce, and it should not be a lab. It should not be full of lab products, like I call them. I'm talking about fruits and veggies and real spices and herbs. All of that makes a difference. Not only what you eat is important, but also how you eat. If you're eating your meals in a rush, standing up in a stressful, heated conversation, it can have an effect on how well you break down your foods. So stressful environments are not good for eating meals at all. What I'm really trying to say is make your meal environment as stress-free as possible. This is a simple step that you can actually make to become more relaxed, healthier, and happier. And this leads me to mental health. Self-care can impact our mental health. Activities like meditating, journaling, or simply taking a break when you need one can help reduce stress and anxiety and improve your mood and boost your self-esteem. So create a personal sanctuary, an area, a space in your home that is dedicated to relaxing, where you can recharge and retreat and reconnect with yourself. A reminder to prioritize self-care and encourages you to engage in activities that promote relaxation. And yeah, it doesn't have to be a big space. It can be just a small corner with your favorite things lying around, placed in a way that it makes you dive into that state of being relaxed a lot faster, a lot sooner. Spirituality. You could create a space that will be ideal for prayer. Start by identifying a quiet, peaceful area in your home that is free of distraction. The space that should be somewhere where you feel comfortable and relaxed, maybe not too loud. You can finish it or set up with items that foster your spirituality, such as candles or maybe a Bible, images that hold some kind of significance to you. It will help you focus on your inner world and deepen your spirituality and your spiritual journey. Another area that you might want to consider creating to help you with your self-care is a creativity area. A space where you can express yourself. To me, self-care is also about that, expressing yourself with the help of what I call the emotional channels. These are things that we do as a way of letting things go so we don't harm ourselves internally, as a form of releasing stress. It is about keeping a positive mind frame, letting go of negative energies, and using your energy towards things that add value to your life. We need ways to release the buildup of anger, sadness, and pain. Some do sports, some like writing poems and painting and dance and singing. Find your way to express your emotions. Find what works for you and make time for the things as much as possible. Because creating a personal sanctuary that allows you to express your creativity and reflect your personality is what we all actually need to become the person that we really are. Whether, as I said, it's writing or music or whatever it is, this space can be dedicated to the activities that can ignite or inspire you, or provide a sense of fulfillment. It doesn't have to be an entire room. It can be a tiny spot. It could be a little corner, just as long as it is an intentional spot for your emotional channel. Surround yourselves with items that inspire you, such as artwork, books, musical instruments, and let your personal sanctuary become like your canvas for your creative dreams and ideas. Prioritizing self-care and creating space for it at home is not a selfish act, but it is an essential investment in your well-being. It allows you to become so much better in your ways, so much better in the way that you love. So take time to transform your living spaces into the sanctuaries that nurtures and supports your self-care journey. Remember, self-care is not only luxury, it's not even luxury. It is a vital part of a balanced and fulfilling life. I hope I've given you some inspiration on creating your own personal sanctuary at home. Thanks for watching, and remember, an organized home is a happy home. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up, and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.